What if I told you that the drone you're about to check out online today might already be outdated before it even ships? Sounds wild, right? But stick with me. And before we go any further, drop a quick comment below and tell me, are you planning to upgrade your drone this year or waiting it out? Because what's coming next might completely change your decision. The latest leaks surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro have started circulating, and they're not just exciting. They're disruptive enough to make even seasoned creators reconsider their entire setup. Every day, thousands of people are searching for answers, release dates, feature breakdowns, and whether it's actually worth upgrading from the Mini 4 Pro or even the rumored Mini 5 Pro. And today, we're diving into everything that's been uncovered so far, revealing details that could seriously redefine what we expect from a compact drone. This isn't just another gadget. It's shaping up to be something closer to a full-scale cinematic tool that fits in your pocket. For years, one of the biggest conversations in the drone world has revolved around sub-250-gram drones. That weight threshold isn't random. It's the key to avoiding strict regulations in many regions, meaning more freedom to fly without dealing with licensing headaches. But there's always been a catch. Staying lightweight usually meant compromising on camera quality. That trade-off? It looks like it's finally disappearing. According to multiple supply chain whispers reportedly coming out of Shenzhen manufacturing lines, this new model could feature a significantly larger 1-inch stack CMOS sensor, which alone would be a huge leap forward. But the real headline feature is something creators have been asking for forever, a true mechanical variable aperture. And if you've ever flown a drone, you know exactly why this matters. Changing lighting conditions mid-flight can ruin your footage, forcing you to land and swap in D-filters, a slow, frustrating process that kills momentum. This new system could allow you to adjust aperture directly from your controller, ranging from f/1.7 all the way to f/11, giving you precise control over exposure and motion blur without ever interrupting your shot. It's a kind of upgrade that pushes a small drone into professional territory. And it doesn't stop at hardware. Processing power is just as important. And that's where things get even more interesting. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to include an advanced imaging engine capable of handling 5.1K video at 60 frames per second, along with an impressive 14 stops of dynamic range. Add to that 10-bit color profiles like log and HLG, and suddenly you're working with footage that holds incredible detail in both highlights and shadows, something usually reserved for far more expensive cinema cameras. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest fears every drone pilot has: crashing. We've all seen those clips where sensors fail in low light and things go wrong fast. This is where the leaks start sounding almost futuristic, with reports suggesting the inclusion of 360-degree LiDAR-based obstacle detection. Unlike traditional vision sensors that struggle in darkness, LiDAR uses laser mapping to build a real-time 3D understanding of the environment. In theory, this means a drone could navigate complex spaces, even at night, with a level of precision we haven't seen before, avoiding obstacles like trees, wires, and buildings with ease. If true, it could dramatically reduce the risk of crashes, especially for night flights. Connectivity is another area getting a major boost. Signal loss is one of those heart-stopping moments no pilot wants to experience, especially when flying at long distances. The current transmission systems are already solid, but the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to take things further by integrating 5G cellular support alongside traditional radio signals. That means if your connection gets blocked, say, by a building, the drone could automatically switch to cellular networks to maintain a stable live feed. Imagine flying through a dense city environment without worrying about losing signal. That's a serious upgrade for both urban creators and long-range explorers. Battery life is also getting a massive leap forward. Typically, compact drones hover around 25 minutes of real-world flight time, but new high-density battery tech could push that to around 38 minutes while still staying under the legal weight limit. And for those who don't mind going slightly heavier, a larger battery option could extend flight time to an incredible 60 minutes. That's a full hour in the air, enough to capture an entire scene, from sunrise to golden hour, without landing once. On the software side, AI is playing a bigger role than ever. The drone is expected to include a dedicated neural processing unit that powers advanced automated filming features. But this goes beyond simple subject tracking. Instead of just following a target, the drone could intelligently plan and execute complex cinematic shots based on your command, adjusting movement, framing, and timing automatically to create footage that feels professionally directed. It's like having a built-in creative assistant that understands filmmaking. For content creators focused on social media, there's more good news. A redesigned gimbal could allow for extended rotation, making it possible to shoot true vertical 4K video without cropping. That's perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, while also enabling dramatic upward angles for more creative compositions. So naturally, the big questions remain. When can you get it, and how much will it cost? Based on typical release cycles and current leaks, a launch window in late 2026 seems likely. Pricing is expected to start around $899 for the base model, with bundle options, including an upgrade controller, pushing closer to $1,199. Considering the features being rumored, that pricing puts it in a very competitive position. At the end of the day, this doesn't feel like a routine upgrade. It feels like a shift in what's possible within this category, bringing features like variable aperture and advanced AI into a sub-250-gram drone removes the compromises creators have dealt with for years. It's the kind of evolution that could reshape how independent filmmakers and content creators approach aerial storytelling. So now I'm curious, what feature stands out to you the most? The adjustable aperture, the extended battery life, or the AI-driven filming capabilities? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the latest updates, make sure you're subscribed and ready for what's coming next. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.